Alright guys, so here's how you guys can download Kali Linux. So let's get started. First, go to the search bar here and type in kali.org. Just like that. Alright, so just type here kali.org and hit an enter and you will get to the official Kali Linux website. And click on this download button here and you will see the platform for you. And this is for virtual machine, and this one is the image that you guys wanted to click here. And if you scroll down, you will find Kali Linux for different versions like mobile, ARM, cloud, and yada yada stuff. So yeah, just click on this installer image. This is what you guys wanted to click here, and then scroll down. You will see different variant of the Kali Linux itself. So you have net installer, weekly, and everything. So if you guys are confused, what is everything? So everything is like for people who don't have good internet connection to update, and like it's for people who wanted to just install and immediately use all the tools that Kali Linux gives to you. All right, so yeah, you don't need to update or do anything if you have choose the everything. But yeah, for recommend the basic installer, you can just choose this middle one here. So click here, this is like 4 gig, and click on save, and you can click on here to check the download here. So you can see we are downloading Kali Linux, and just wait for some moment and you will have the ISO file. And you can simply flash this file using Balena Etcher and it's good to go. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.